one is better?
This better.
Better. Better taste?
Better taste. This better taste. Only sweet.
Nice.
Come later.
Yeah? What's your name?
Only.
Uldeep. Okay, Mark. I'll come later. Definitely. Thank you. Hi. Good, thank you. Thank you.
India is like chaotic romanticism.
Which is what?
So it's a chaotic way of doing romance. The urban design of this entire Indian context is like that.
Yeah, I see it. Nice. Can I take a photo? Hey! Just a natural one, it's okay. What's wrong? Just smile, man. Wow. Are you your brothers?
No, we are friends.
Your friends?
Past 30 years we are friends.
If you are very close then you can come closer, a little bit closer.
Having own businesses, computer studies or working or what?
Wedding.
Here which place?
It was Bangalore.
Your function, no? You came for the wedding.
Yeah, wedding.
All the best.
Yeah, great. Have a good day.
What kind of food?
Like this with a cigarette, smoking, it's all good.
Normal living lifestyle. We meet casually, normally. So
Yeah.
whatever habits we have, we do it freely. It's
Okay.
like more of
So you are comfortable together. That's nice. What's going on? You're not meant to drive on it?
Yeah, we are meant to drive on it.
Why?
so that you can crush it.
I'd sugar cane. I'd kodi.
Yeah.
For the famous film stars, they just style like this.
Yeah, we can.
You can?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah? Okay.
See automobile spare parts. Baju market? First year
That was fun.
body person.